Right now on the block, we have lot 689.1, a 1969 Chevy C10 custom pickup. And we are at $125,000.
Yeah, supercharged LT4 under the hood of this one. A great motor, tuned to 800 plus horsepower. So the power plant to have with these custom trucks, and stands just appropriately as far as just right, I think. And black everywhere, triple, quadruple, everything black.
Well, and underneath they've done plenty of work on the suspension system as well. It's got a Ride Tech coil over. It's got a Portigo frame stiffener. They've got big 14-inch 6-piston Willwood brakes, Willwood master cylinders, and just massive wheels and tires on this thing. And I love the way they've stained the white oak floor with kind of a dark finish. Boy, it's just a nice ghost kind of look.
Yeah, that does look absolutely fantastic. And the mild tub there to accommodate the beefy rear wheels to handle all of that power. Wow, $162,000 already, $165,000, holy smokes.
Well, we've talked about how the 67 through 82 C10s are the sweet spot, and this is sweet.
Playing at $165,000 worth of custom pickup truck. Spectacular stuff.